up, it's Trigger, and I'm back with another video. Today we're on my lanai. I'm about to make a really yummy smoothie for breakfast, and I wanted to include you guys and show you the kind of things that I'll do for breakfast. So today we are making a smoothie based with aloe vera and some blueberries and blackberries, and we'll see what else I put into it. So here goes. Okay, so these are the aloe vera plants that I have, and I've had them really for a while. They're kind of like the small leaf kind, if you want to call these leaves or whatever. Make sure if you're eating anything from your garden that you know that you can and it's okay for you. So step one, know that your aloe is the right kind to eat. And I'm just gonna like take off one of the tallest babies. Catch you guys in the kitchen. Okay, now these are washed, looking nice and fresh. And I'm going to start taking my knife and cutting off the sharp parts and getting them set up so I could scrape the juice out of them. So these are my filleted aloe veras. I didn't do all of them just yet. But what you do is take your spoon and you scrape it off. Okay, you couldn't see that at all, but see what just happened? So you're scraping and getting this jelly out of all of them. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so then after a while, after you've done all that, you have this amazing vitamin-filled nutrient gelée. Really weird consistency. And we're going to put this in our smoothie. First ingredient. Okay, first ingredient going in. Ooh. Okay, next ingredient, I'm going to put in some shatavari, an Ayurvedic herb that's really good for hormonal balance for women. Just a couple of drops. Woohoo, yeah. Next, some fresh lemon. Basically just took the rinds off of those. Don't need to do a ton. Lemon in. This Big Island honey is staring us in the face, so we're definitely putting some of that in. And this is raw organic honey. I already put some in, but I'm just trying to tell you. So many antioxidants. Honey never goes bad, and it's always good to get it from around where you live, because then it will be better for you because of the pollens and stuff in the air. It like works better for your sinuses. Okay, this is something that I personally feel like is really, really important to put in. Collagen is something that over time, as you get older, I guess you just sort of like lose. This is the kind that I get. It's unflavored and it just goes better in a smoothie. I don't really take it like in water or anything. So I kind of think it helps me out with like my skin's elasticity. So if that's something you're interested in, put some of that in your smoothie. Next, I have some frozen strawberries. I always wash strawberries and freeze them. I'm going to put that in. I also have some frozen bananas that I already cut up. I'm going to put those in. And also Trick frozen spinach. It doesn't go bad. I'm going to put that in as well. Honestly, you guys, sometimes like I go through salad phases, but other times I really don't. And if I'm like, man, you know what? I really need some greens. This is honestly how I get them done. Also, freezing these fruits and vegetables just make your smoothie like an actual smoothie without using the ice. Guys, we're getting pretty full, but now it's time for my favorite part. I'm gonna smash as many blackberries and blueberries as I can into this, and I might have to put the camera down to do this part actually, because we want to get our anthocyanins in, you guys. Fresh berries are the way to go. Doesn't this just look amazing? This is what we have going so far. We need a liquid. I'm going to use some guava juice and some water. Guava juice. I don't want to do a lot because there's a lot of sugar in this. I'm going to do water. and fill that up. Okay, everything is in there. This is gonna be the best smoothie of our actual lives. Woohoo, I can't wait. Okay guys, diving in. Ooh, very sweet, a little bit tart, fruity. Can't taste the aloe at all. So basically, guys, there's a range of health benefits of why you would want to be eating aloe vera. It helps with digestion, it helps with the lining of your stomach, it helps alkaline your body, it helps with your skin, and it helps you stay extra hydrated. And there is all sorts of reasons why you want to have aloe every single day in your diet. It is something that I used to do that I don't really do as much anymore, and I definitely want to get back into it because I love my plants, and it's so fun just being able to like go into a garden and start making breakfast for yourself. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. And good morning or afternoon or even nighttime whenever you guys are watching this. I really appreciate you. Please hit like if you liked the video, and hit subscribe if you want to see some of the new things coming at you from me. And I appreciate you. Say what's up in the comments down below. Aloha, guys. Have a great day.